Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. I'm Dede Permana. I'm from Communication Students of Muhammadiyah University Yogyakarta. Government and Public Affairs course. Participant in 2000 of 220. In this video, I will explain three topics, namely government, public relations, internal function, and government media management and government media relations. Government media management. 1. Government public relation. Government public relation, according to Ruslan 2011, quotes from Nurjana and Nurnisha 2016, has a very large role in the government administration system. Government public relations plays two roles: one technical role or short term, and two strategy role, long term. In a technical role, short term, government public relations seeks to provide effective message and information that can motivate the people and have a very large influence on the people through the message conveyed. In the long term, message strategy role, government public relations plays an active role in the decision making process, in the providing a brilliant process of giving suggestion, idea and creative idea to carry out the program of the institution concurrent. Quote from Nurjana and Nurnisha 2016. 2. Social media. Gore Efkat in the book Maximizing the use of social media in government institution, Vidya Astuti 2018 states that in simple terms, social media is an easy to use internet based platform that allows users to create and share content, information, opinion, and interest in various contexts: informative, educational, satire, criticism, and so on, to a wider audience. Therefore, social media has a chain effect so that the transmission process that occurs does not stop at only one main audience multiplier effect. 3. Government social media management. Kurniasi in the book maximizing the use of social media in government institutions explain that there are several records in the use of social media by government public relations. First, social media is designed to maintain and enhance the reputation of the institution and explore public aspiration. Second, social media is an interactive media. Third, social media is online documentation. Fourth, social media reaches a very broad public, so understanding is needed in disseminating information and how to communicate across culture. For some people, social media is considered antisocial. To avoid the stigma A public relation officer must, of course, be able to balance the role of online communication media with direct communication with the public, especially the internal public who are basically and geographically very close. Internal public relation function. Launching the book Public Relations Strategy by Sili Agung Wesa. Internal public relation has six functions, namely 1. Communicating policies made by the board of directors and management to employers. 2. Explaining changes in the policies of the board of directors and management so that employees understand the basis for making decisions. 3. Building an interactive communication networks between employees, management, and director. Communication network is very important in the company. The existence of harmonious and interactive communications between various parties will facilitate the achievement of company goals and success. 4. Assist the restructuring process starting from policy socialization to training to minimize the negative impact of restructuring. 5. Help increase the sense of ownership of the company in employee. 6. Assist in the creation of a corporate culture according to its vision. This means that internal public relations serve to help the formation or creation of a corporate culture according to the vision to be achieved. Government media relation. In an institution or government institution, the role of public relation (PR) is very important as a medium of communication between the government and the public. Public in the realm of public relation include internal public and external public. According to Catley, Center and Brown, in Rahmat Kriyantono said that public relation can be defined as a management function that will and maintains good and beneficial relationship between organization and the public that affect the success or failure of the organization. Public relations help the performance of an institution or institution in establishing and maintaining effective relationships with decision makers within the institution. I think that now that I can discuss on the three learning topic about government and public affairs. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.